In this short video, I will show you how you can preview and import a set of flat files into SQL Server using DataZen. Some of the features we will see include automated data type discovery, automated target schema creation, manual or scheduled data import, automated ingestion of new files, and historical data ingestion report. Let's take a quick look at our files. We will import a list of fire stations from Florida and Georgia first. These files were taken from public records. First, we will create a drive connection to this folder. Note that we could be creating a drive connection to an Azure endpoint, such as ADLS 2.0, an AWS S3 bucket, or an FTP site. Let's define a Datasync job. In this case, the job will have a data source and a target system. Let's select the fire stations connection we just created. We need to specify a file pattern and a format. The CSV format provides additional options. We choose to only load new or updated files, indicate the first row contains headers, use quoted identifiers, and a comma delimiter. Let's click on the preview link to make sure the data looks right. Let's choose the FFID and HQ zip as the unique field identifiers. We could choose a specific schedule to check for new files, but let's keep this a manual run for now. Note that you can also make an HTTP request to start the job programmatically. In the Target System tab, let's select an existing database connection, SQL 2017. We will enter a table name in a Target Table field and click on the Run Table Creation Script button. This screen detects the fields and data types of the source file and allows us to create the target table directly. Once the job is created, let's start it manually. About 900 records were detected across 2 files and imported into the database. We can inspect the data using SQL Server Management Studio. Let's add a new file into the folder being monitored by the job. These are fire stations from Alabama. Let's run the job again, and we can see that another 800 records were identified. If we run the previous SQL statement, we can see a new total number of records at the bottom right. Back in the Manager application, let's look at the job history. There are 2 job execution entries showing us how many records were extracted from the CSV files and the number of records imported. The graph shows us a visual of the same information. Thank you for your time. Feel free to reach out to us for more information.